Welcome to the fourth and final video in the Invisalign Outcome Simulator Pro series. In this video, we will cover how to manage patient photos and sharing the simulation. You will learn how to use the screenshot tool, create a customized oral health report, and share the Invisalign Smile video via the Invisalign Practice app, IPA. Now let's review how to manage the patient photo for your in-face simulation. First, tap the Options button to open the photo menu. To update photo, select Update Photo and capture a new image using the Invisalign Practice app. If the photo doesn't appear right away, just tap Refresh, then tap Update Photo again. Your updated in-face visualization will be ready in about 3 minutes. If the current image belongs to the wrong patient, tap the Options button and choose Select Different Patient. Search for the correct record, select it, and tap Confirm. The system will swap in the proper photo and regenerate the simulation. To revert to 3D model view only, select Remove Photo and tap the Remove button. You can always add a new photo later. Finally, tap Setup Initial View to reset your default display settings. Here you can select your preferred simulation type and display mode, so everything loads exactly as you like. Choose your preferences and tap on the Save button. To share simulation images, use the Snapshot tool to capture images and add them to the patient report. Tap the snapshot icon and add annotations if needed. To send these snapshots, log into my iTarot.com portal and navigate to your scans list. Open the relevant scan and click iTarot Scan Report to view the annotated PDF. To share the report, download the PDF and send it by email, or generate a QR code for quick patient access. To share the Invisalign Smile video, use the Invisalign Practice app. Once the video is ready, you will receive a notification in the app. Both orthodontic and ortho-restorative smile video simulations can be shared directly from the Invisalign Practice app. Here's how. Open the Smile video simulation. Select the simulation type you want to share. Tap the Share icon to send it to your Invisalign contact list. Your patient can now view their potential smile and treatment outcome instantly. This concludes our Invisalign Outcome Simulator Pro video series. You are now ready to create, customize, and present engaging smile simulations that help your patients visualize their potential results and make informed treatment decisions.